Right, guys, sorry we didn't get a chance to take a look at these and I have to return them, so I want to show you two different types of joints. And I know this is kind of strange because normally you would get to see them in real life, but we're going to do some close-up here. And can anybody tell what type of joint this might be? Remember, we have three types, three main types that we're talking about. We're talking about pivot joints, we're talking about ball and socket joints, we're talking about hinge joints. Who thinks they know what this is? If you said hinge joint, you're correct. Give yourself a pat on the back. Notice the blue material there. What do you think that blue material is? Probably cartilage, right? I'll bet if you said cartilage, you were correct. You can just see, if you had this joint in your hand, you can see how it really doesn't move side to side. It only moves up and down. Alright, like a hinge on a door. Alright, can you kind of get a feel for that? Alright, even sideways, the bones kind of fit in together with the cartilage providing some comfort there. So that's our hinge joint. And then I have the ball and socket here. Can you see this? Alright, and it's actually, I can pull it out a little bit. You can see how it actually looks like a ball that fits right into like a crevice that's made just for it. And if you had this in your hand, you could see how the joint could go around and around in circles. Now, your joint doesn't quite work exactly like that because you have some limitations, but you can see how it can swing side to side, it can go around in a circle. Alright, and it has a lot more freedom and flexibility. Once again, we have some blue stuff in there, and what does the blue stuff represent? If you said cartilage, you're correct. Give yourself a pat on the back. Alright, and that is a ball and socket joint. I believe this is part of the pelvis here too, so you can see how that fits in. Or it could be the scapula. And this is the shoulder. I'm not sure which way. But we can take a look at Uncle Bones too to get an even more realistic picture of it. But once again, these are two of the different types of joints that we have. Thanks. Bye.